I think we're live. Hello po sa lahat. Good evening, good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are watching from. So, my name is Glenda po, and today I'm excited to have um, to be, I guess, one of our business partner, Ati Presi. She's from California, USA. And before we dive in to know more about Ati Presi of why she started the business, is magpapakilala muna ako. So, I'm Glenda po. I am based here in Alberta, Canada, but originally from Quezon City, Philippines. And before, I used to work in retail industry for 20 years, food and retail actually pala. And then when naging manager ako sa Levi's brand in SM Supermalls before migrating here. And then my last post ko dito before I became a full-time digital business owner is I work po in the Home Depot in retail then. And I used to be a head cash and a vault associate. And then I saw this business back in 2018 when I was a new immigrant looking for something or looking for a solution to our increasing debts and to look for something na pwede ko sanang pagkakitaan while I can stay at home and be present for my family. So, ayan, I'm so thankful that after 16 months of doing this business, I was able to quit my regular job and do this business full time, and that was po in the January of 2020. So, ayan, and now, without further ado, I'm excited to introduce to you Ate Presi. So, Ate, the floor is yours. Would you mind introducing yourself like a bit?
Hello, good afternoon, good evening, and good morning to everyone. Ako po si Priscilla Villanueva, but everyone call me Presi. I'm currently living here in California, USA since 2002. I'm a mom of 4 adult children. All of my kids now natapos na po sa pag-aaral at nagwo-work na.
Mhm.
I'm also a nurse working in healthcare for more than 4 decades. But
Wow.
right now, I bowed out from the hospital job or routine. I am now currently just doing home health. And
Mm.
during the pandemic, that was 2020, there was a time that the government is not letting like the older people to go to work because they are prone
Oh, yeah.
to the COVID. I was
Mm-hmm.
one of those. So during that time, I was staying at home and was like browsing on my news feed. That's when I found this business. Actually, I
Mm-hmm.
saw a lot of ad. I saw, but when I saw the ad of my coach, uh, who was a nurse in Ontario, Canada, I was inspired by her story because she was also a nurse like me.
Mm-hmm.
Um, ang istorya ko naman po ay because I send my 4 kids to college. I finance their education and including all their miscellaneous expenses. During that time, we are having like a hard time like with our finances because
Mm-hmm.
3 college student is not easy. We're
Yes.
paying the tuition fees and there the
Mm-hmm.
accommodations plus the textbooks. It's not cheap to send
Yeah.
a college student here in US. So my husband decided to work overseas to support them. So long story short, when my daughter graduated in 2021, that's when I said, "Oh, I feel like I can do my own thing now because no one is
Mhm.
going to school anymore. But
Yeah,
then when I realized I don't have enough like
for
saving,
retirement.
yeah, for
Yeah.
my retirement because I did not save enough. So I said, if I want to retire, I want something that where I can go to places that I want to without thinking of the like expenses. That's when like I thought of something to do like on a side hustle. So I found this online business through my coach where she was sharing her story. She was taking care of her three kids after her maternity leave, and she was able to quit after 10 months.
Yeah,
So
correct. Yeah.
I resonated with her story since I told myself, if I can do it, if she can do it, I can do it too. Especially when she invited me to watch the free webinar. I was so inspired when I saw the success of all those people, like sharing their journey about this business, how they started, and how they became successful. And I said,
Wow.
first, I said, is it really true that they really like um, get those compensation from this business? But since I don't have any experience, I was doubtful. But what I did is I have to do like research first. And then
Yeah.
when I found that this is legal because they pay taxes and they give us 1099 here in US.
In the
So
USA.
I joined the business and I told myself maybe this is the opportunity that I was looking for so I can be independent on my retirement age. Not depend. I don't want to depend on my kids for my, financial situation. I want to be able to live independently. Although, of course, they're my kids, so anyone is, especially Filipinos, we are close family ties. So but I don't want them to get burdened on my old age. That's why I wanted to
Okay.
be. I want to.
Ate, so actually, salamat sa napakahabang iyong introduction. So,
Ang haba, no?
medyo nasagot mo na. Medyo nasagot mo na yung question ko
Pangalawang tanong.
about medyo nasagot mo na yung tanong kung bakit sa sa stage mo in life, sabi mo nga, you work 40 years as a nurse until such time na nag-pandemic and all. And then, of course, and then yung kids mo lahat is graduate na. So, ano yung talagang turning point mo? Bakit naghanap ka pa rin ng extra pagkakakitaan to think na pwede ka naman suportahan ng iyong mga anak? Sabi mo nga, napaaral mo silang lahat, napatapos mo silang lahat and all para mag-start ka ng sarili mo. Sabi mo medyo nabanggit mo na kanina na ayaw mong maging burden. Is that
Yeah,
yan ba yung reason for that?
that's one of the reason. But I also want to like travel and
Mhm.
see more places because although we live here in US, I haven't seen a lot of places here in the United States. So
Dahil sa
do
kakatrabaho, super 40
yeah,
yan,
because
right?
sometimes I work 16 hours and I
Oh,
leave home like in the morning and then I get home at night. So I don't see my kids during those days. When I leave work, they're sleeping, and when I come home, they're already in bed. So I have to work 16
mm,
hours because yeah, I'm paying my mortgage. I'm paying the expenses of the three college students and of course our basic needs.
yeah.
And relying on two like salaries is not enough. because the cost of
Correct.
living here in US
Yes,
is
it's
not cheap.
very Yeah, that's correct. So, ate, so tama yung sinabi mo na when you dive into the business, yung gusto mo is time for yourself, time that you can travel, wherein you can bring something na portable kung saan ka man magpunta. So, you are talagang swak yung business sa'yo. While you are traveling, you can bring your business with you and earn as well. So, okay, ate. So, my next question to you is, so, nung una mo bang nakita itong negosyo, sabi mo nga marami ka na nakikitang ads before. Naisip mo rin ba na baka hindi mo ito kayang gawin kasi hindi ka tech savvy, hindi ka magaling sa computer? Kasi I know I encounter a lot of nurses na hindi naman talaga into computers all the time, right? And nag-worry ka rin ba na baka hindi mo masundan or hindi mo ito magawa itong negosyo?
Oo naman, kasi nung nag-umpisa ako dito sa negosyong 'to, wala akong kaalam-alam sa technology. Ah, Actually, when I started this business, I don't even have a laptop.
Oh,
And I'm not
really?
Yeah, I don't even have
Okay.
a laptop. I have to ask my kids for a Christmas gift for a laptop. I told them, they asked me, "What do you want Christmas gift for, mom, for this Christmas?" So I asked, "Can you give me laptop?" Because I was thinking of joining this business. And then when I started, I don't know how to use, because although I have a Facebook, I'm not actually active. I'm not even
Mm,
posting. So when I started the training, the first time I opened the training, I was overwhelmed because of
okay.
the tabs. I said, "Oh my God, how can I finish all of this?" So the
Mhm.
first few days, I think the first part, I think it took me like months before I can finish it. But I was doing it slowly until my coach advised me how to do the training properly. She told me,
Mm,
because sometimes I'm getting lost if I do the training. She said you have to open your cell phone and do the training on your laptop. So the instructions is open and you are doing it at the same time, she said. So
mm,
after that, I was able to like, do the training, although it's actually video based, so you can come back anytime if you don't understand or if I have question.
mhm.
Lagi kong kinukulit si coach. Dati magka-copy and paste lang ako. Hindi ako marunong mag-copy and paste. Sabi ko sa kanya, sabi ko, "How do I get this, that thing for Facebook when you set up your page, that moderation assist something?" I don't know how to do
Mhm.
copy and paste. Before, if I have to send email, I have to ask my daughter, "Can you help me with this?" If I open the laptop, she has to teach me which button I have to use. But now, because of the training, I was able to. I'm not telling I'm already technology savvy, but at least I can
Mm,
follow now. I mean,
okay.
I can be independent, and if it's really something that I cannot do, then that's the time I ask question. But because of the
Yes.
training, I was able to do it, and of course with the help
Follow
of
through.
my coach.
Yeah. Ayan. So, thank you for sharing that, Ate Pressy. So, sa lahat po ng nanonood na niisip nyo na baka hindi nyo ito kayanin kasi hindi kayo tech savvy or hindi yung mismo sabi ni ate na simpleng copy-paste is hindi nyo magawa. So, it's doable po. And katulad ng sinabi ni ate, yung training po natin sa negosyo, syempre may training po tayo kasi kahit naman po ako na nag-start ako sa negosyo, kahit marketing ang major ko is wala akong alam about the business. So, hindi rin ako tech savvy, pero yun nga, dahil ang training namin is video-based and easy to follow. So, step by step po na tinuturo kung paano gawin. Kaya po, hindi nyo po kailangan ng business experience, hindi nyo po kailangan ng na magaling kayo sa computer. As long as you are coachable and you have like determine ka na matuto and mag-succeed sa negosyo. So, pwede nyo po itong gawin. And like, katulad nga ni Ate Presi, kung tutuusin, lahat ng mga anak niya graduate and then she's been a nurse for 4 decades and yet she still like can pursue her dreams. She wants to like do something for herself na kaya niya pang gawin ang kahit ano, to travel with her business and kumita kahit nasa bahay po tayo or kahit saan man po tayo magpunta. Ayan, so if meron po nakaka-resonate sa inyo, please drop po in the comments if you are like Ate Presi na hindi tech savvy, hindi magaling sa computer, pero still doing the business. So pwede po kayo mag-drop ng question for us and we are happy to answer you po. And Ate Presi, would you mind inviting them kung paano nila ma-check ang ating business opportunity for those na
Yes.
someone are doubtful and then they can check with us and join our business and start their journey then or story.
You can connect po with us. We have our business page with our name, or you can also sign up on our website. My website is www.apresilasangkapvillanueva.com. And you can sign with your name and email, and free live info session will be sent to you. And you can watch the webinar at your own convenience and decide and do your due diligence and decide, do your research if this business is really for you.
All right. So thank you, Ate Presi, for your time. I know you just you are busy and then you just get home. Kaya po, I'm so thankful for giving me the time na ma-share ang iyong business journey and a part of your story dito po sa aming sa ating interview. So ayan po, like at what Ate Presi said, if you are looking for something na gusto niyo mag-earn ng extra income on the side or to start your own business online na pwede mo siyang dalhin kahit saan ka man naroon or do this business from home while you are spending time with your family and loved ones. So just check lang po on our website or message us and then we are happy po to help you get started. Ayan, so thank you so much po again. So remember po, ang the best investment na maibibigay mo sa iyong sarili is to do something for yourself na pasasalamatan ka ng iyong future self. Okay, so God bless everyone and have a good evening to all. Bye po.